So this is a quick spur of the moment with DNC. Stuck in Atlanta traffic because I'm always stuck in Atlanta traffic. But I'm sitting here. As I sit in traffic, I get the most encouraging and inspirational thoughts about writing. And I wanted to share this quick notion and this quick thought with everyone. I think in a world full of unsureties, false people, false personas, I think it's very important for us as writers to continue to hone in who we are as writers, and to not give in to writing to a formula, to not give in to writing for the masses, because sometimes when you write for the masses, you forget about the people behind the masses, meaning that commercial is cool until you lose yourself. And one thing that I've been struggling with a lot, I went to a wonderful bloggers meetup this past Sunday, and I'm just sitting there listening to all these wonderful ladies, and some of these are what we would call huge influencers, brand influencers, bloggers, and I'm in awe because for me, I'm a blogger, but I'm just a lover of words, honestly, and a lover of feelings, and a lover of rhythm and rhyme and purpose. And as I sit here and we went to a conversation about how many followers people got and are the followers real and what's not and all this, it was actually very encouraging for me because I don't have thousands and thousands of followers, and I'm pretty sure that's not necessarily my goal. If anything, let me have 10 to 12 followers who engage with me and who are happy with what I do, or are encouraging to what I do, and actually push me to be a better writer and push me to keep pushing through these messages that I'm putting out about women taking charge of their sexuality, women taking charge of who they are in their skin, no matter black, white, Asian, and for women to really sit down and not give in and understand that we are, if you ask me, one of the most powerful beings on this earth, and we can change anything that we put our energy behind. So, and saying that, I want to encourage you all to remain real in your words. Do not allow what you see other people put out. Do not allow what you hear other people say. Well, did you see so-and-so put that out? Why didn't you say it like that? And why did you choose that word? And why didn't you? Stay real to you and see who really follows. See what the world needs from you in that moment. Because the thing is that what others say may not be what people need to hear. Don't be scared to put out what people really need to hear and read. And that's 100, because I ain't in traffic no more. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.